Sentimental FX update for the QUASIDB service for the 15th of December. I've just marked out some key levels for S&P. We have the November high at 3674 and we got the recent low at 3628, and I think we might chop in between those two values. Don't forget the risk sentiment is risk on, the risk calculation. So assuming that the herd are going to remain bearish at the big picture, then we can probably do quite well. I think we might break this trend line. We are below the MA support, so worth keeping an eye on your risk calculation and your indices as well. And then we'll look at gold again. So this is your monthly pivot, 1835. SLC above is 1851. Possibly could get that. It has been sold by the herd the last 24 hours, so that's why that came up. Very choppy on the sentiment. AJ above 78.58 and 78.08, and it's choppy. AU on above is 75.41 and 74.98. Quite mixed on the technicals. We are a buy at the high level, but that's them going long. So dynamically it's a sell, but at the static level we're a buy, so it's mixed there. EA, this stop loss cluster is very far away at 165.15. One below is 16026. That's them selling it, so it should come up. EU 121.80 and 121, and we're a buy at the high level and it's very sideways. GU, we just had some unemployment data and it wasn't as bad as expected, so that's a surprise. Where are we? 13350, so we're close, and the one below is 13305. We are a buy at the high level, very sideways. A lot of these things are sideways. NU above 1791 and 7064 again. So yeah, very sideways on the last 24 hours. It's just gone, hasn't moved. Exactly the same sentiment as we were 24 hours ago. Euro yen. This is our signal to buy at maybe it won't say 12653, 127 above, and 125.7. Possible we might get some support on the medium volume buy positions, so it tends to work as quite a good support or resistance, so we might come down and test it. It's fairly pips away, so it's all about getting good entry for the signals. Look at your small time frame chart and then try and if you were got put Heikin-Ashi candles, you'd simply wait for the Heikin-Ashi candle to turn green. You wouldn't enter now because of the red candles, for example, on the 15-minute chart. Simply wait for it to turn green and then you'd enter. But I think we might come down and get that. The reason for it is that it's like a magnet for price. It's the medium volume buy position. So if it's above, then people are making profit. If it's below, people are making too much profit. So the natural resting place would be the MVP on the derivatives. So it's worth having a look at. I really like this that particular indicator. It's quite useful. Hopefully you understand the logic why it would be a magnet, because people shouldn't be profiting. So that would be the natural resting place. Pound yen, 139.04 and 138.33. There's our buy from yesterday, and it's just it's teetering on that. Dollar yen. This was the largest movement on the 24-hour calculation. 104.15 and 103.75. Dollar CAD. 127.97 and 126.98. Don't forget we've got Fed minutes this week, so it's going to chop a lot of these pairs around. Dollar Swiss there's that support I was talking about at monthly support to 88.60. See how we had the support. It only came down to take the stops. So it's now got monthly support too. So it's disregarding the sentiment and it's more technical. And that just wraps up a 5-minute video. So I covered the S&P and gold. Hopefully that makes sense with the MVP. It's possible it's going to come down, but it's all about getting good entry. You don't necessarily have to enter at market. Just go to a small time frame chart and then you simply wait. I like the Heikin Ashi candles because that's just confirmation of price action. So just wait for it to turn green, and once it turns green, then you can enter, but with caution. So that's where I would personally target, is this SLC at 127 on the dot. So it's the retail guys being very silly and putting their stops at the round number. So get a good entry and you should be okay, and we'll see how we do. And I'll add this to the spreadsheet now, and have a good day, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow.